Hi. Emily, I can see your silhouette. Silhouette? What is the silhouette? I forgot. I can see her figure. Can't you always see her figure? Like she's bright pink. She is bright pink. Emily, get out from hiding. Are we gonna play? Come on. It's the new lore. Come on. Start. Thank you. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Yeah. Start do something right now. Start clean my phone. Done. Well, we're here again. You know what? I'm bored today, so let's let everyone through. Yes. We don't hack at all. And you know your job, so you do that. Good. Ooh, fire extinguisher. Yeah, there's a wheelchair. Here, come with me. This is actually fun. We don't have to do anything. All we can do is just put them in the wheelchair. Yay! Well, give me a minute. This is so fun. Yes. This is so fun. Yes, do it wrap you. Okay, I'll put it back. Oh my god, this is so fun. Okay, we do it one. We switch one per shift. Okay, we can do that one per shift. Try again. We can't? Oh, let me try. May I try? Can you at least put the wheelchair back? Roommate! Okay, we are gonna do it one per shift, okay? Like today's your shift, and then like right now it's your shift, and then the next is mine. We have a new door! New door! I repeat, new door! New door! New door! Yeah! New door! Wait a minute. Emily, do it. Do it. Wait, what if you do me? Now put them where, no, put them. Now I'm gonna go heal. I'm getting tired of waiting. Well, you're not waiting no more. That was so fun. Wait, what if you can pick me up? Try. Just try. Not too bad. Okay. Shut. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna be playing a mini game. It's like Like I'm gonna guess like what the patient need without checking the TV above their head or whatever it is or the computer. I'm just gonna do this, and I think it's gonna be medicine, and it's hers. Cool. I was close. I was close. What?
The pink one that you see, is an anomaly.
Is it?
Yeah. I went in.
Can you pick this one up? Can you take that one? Don't. What? I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna do surgery after this room. That's rough. Alright, I forgot about my mini game. Oh well. Okay, fine, I'll do it. Because it was rough, whatever. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Tea. I need it. Tea. Okay, now it's my shift. Now it's my shift. It's my time. It's my turn. Just put the thing back. Oh yes, throw it in the trash. You can't. Hurry up and do it because I want to do it. Wait, that was an anomaly. That was an anomaly. That was an anomaly. Yeah, I know, but I'm telling you, it's an anomaly. Remember, this is my time. It's my turn. Stop grabbing everyone. Yeah, we see you. Oh yeah, you might want to take care of the other one. Hold on, can I do this? Oh no, I can't. See that? Alright, room 6 is on the way. And you stay there. Patient, what do you see down there? I see the wood. Oh man. This is so fun. Whee! Whee! What do you eat? I'm going to crash you into this. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Chase this little guy. I want to treat him because he's been here for too long. You might lose some sanity. You can go in there. Go in there. Go in there. But I don't carry. Okay, open the door. Open the door. You know what? Carry. Just carry. And you're gonna go in the trash can. I'm kidding. Come on, open the door. Why won't let me open the door? No, it's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It wouldn't let me open the goddamn door. Not my problem. It wouldn't let me open the door. You know what now? Okay, I'm going to think this one and this one, I believe. I think it's completely wrong. Because there's no more patience. Because there's no more patience. Are there? Mm.
You have the fire extinguisher?
Yes. Why I need it? Headache and flu. Now that she's gone, I can do whatever I want. I'm kidding. Put that. I'm just gonna be doing everything by myself. Perfectly nice and cool. Doing everything by myself. Yeah. Cool. Okay. 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 Nice. Why are you so like this? Why does it look like that you're walking? It's not just a glitch right there. Fever. Thermometer. Alright, I got it. I don't use this trick so often. Oh, you're back. Drink some coffee. Then don't do anything. Just don't do anything. I'll do it. Okay, now drink it. Idiot. Not my fault if you die. Of course you do. My turn to hog the coffee. Besides, it's your turn to put the patients in the wheelchair. Now it's his. Now hurry up and do it. This is why I don't really like playing with you. You keep hogging all the coffee.
Sometimes I need a coffee.
I need the coffee too.
I need a more.
No, you do not. My sanity is way. I need more. My sanity gets more lower than yours. I have no idea because I'm not checking. All I want is the coffee. Because I love coffee in real life. So I must love it in game. Give me the coffee! It's not green tea though.
Where did you got the tea?
Around the shop, idiot.
No. I brought this. There. No.
For only once?
They're not.
Give me the goddamn coffee. I mean the goddamn coffee. I'm not checking. Because it's hidden from me. Yeah, it's... No, go ahead and put him. Hurry up and put him. There's another patient. Oh well. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Yay! Not like I had like 2 coffees. Anyways. Then boom 5. Boom fall. Boom fart. Other patients? What about your job? Nothing that you need to know. You don't even know how to taste properly. I'm barely moving. I'm the one who takes care of the patients. Not really. Hydration low sugar. Oh, you go give him. Too bad. Then he's not gonna get none. Nah. Cool. Okay. You can't taste him. He's immune to it. Yeah, I could. Yeah. And beside you. Ah! Where's the cat? Without visitor inside? You didn't even tase! Girl, you don't know how to tase people! No, you don't! You literally missed me 5 times! And you tased him for no reason, because I was finished.
Yeah, run.
Come on. Where's the hydration? Okay. I can't wait to do surgery. Yeah. No, I'm good. I want you to I'm taking out another life. Okay, fine. You know what? Next, if one of them is gonna go to room 8, then just one time. Just only one time, because I do not want you to mess up. He's gonna get mad and leave. He's gonna get mad and leave, though. I'll be in room 7. Did the lights just flicker? Yes, they did, Rafty. Other patient. This is too busy. Oh, okay, I was gonna sit. Imagine I actually cracked my neck. Okay, I did. It felt quite nice though. Fever, headache. Fever, headache. Headache. Here you go. I'm gonna just put it across the wall. Why do you still look like you're walking? Yeah, I'm just gonna put that across on the mirror. Or whatever it is.
Why do we have wheelchairs?
I don't know. But it's fun. So I don't really care what the purpose is for it. But it's fun to use. You ready? I don't really need the blanket. I just use it. I'll take off the blanket though.
We're gonna go to my room.
To your room? So you're gonna leave the game? Okay. Now let's play back. Bye. I guess. Ouch. And I lost my only assistant. Great. Was he gonna come away? Whoa. I gotta do the ritual. Thankfully, she don't got the hot coffee. And tried to taste it. Which is good. Rash of flu. Rash. Ooh, paper! Yeah! I'm just gonna wait for the coffee. It's not even surprised I got this. Coffee! I'm opening the doors so I don't have to go ahead and waste time to open the doors. Plus me. Alright, I can pick them up. Oh. Come here. Man. I'm gonna pick you up so you can have privacy. So you can have free lifetime of not to be able to lock for a bit. But oh, that's fine. I'll do this. Okay, hurry up and go though. You're boring, I guess. Coffee. Of course, Barney. What's going on? Suitcase. I guess. Why is this so heavy? I'm gonna put this on the wheelchair and put it in there. Oh yeah. You're the best. You are the best. Or you're the best. Anyone patience? Oh well. Oh. Yes, rescue. I was not playing around with this wheelchair. I was actually doing something important and they need the wheelchair. Sorry about that, Rafu. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Rafu. Bye-bye. I'll put this back. Oh, you're a visitor. Okay. There you go. How long have I been recording? Not that long. Of course it did. Flowers! Okay, you're a visitor too. Alright guys, I'm actually quite bored, so we're gonna save this for tomorrow and I'll continue it tomorrow. As for all, thank you guys for watching, I guess. I can't say either. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone. And how to kill myself? Oh, I'll just wait for an answer. How to end this? How I would end this? Man. That could have been me. Fire! Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. And I die. Bye-bye.